What's going on, guys? Art here off the Door Media Group. My intent is to end up at the airfield doing some hovering and practicing with the helicopter. So that's the intent. Got a few stops in between, so we're going to see how everything goes. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. Hope all is good with you guys out there, and let's see what happens. All right. What's going on, guys? All right, I am here at Deacon's house, waiting for him to come out. Part of what I have to do today, this first meeting, involves Deacon. So as soon as he comes out, we will be on our way.
Hey, what's up, Ed? It's a great day to be alive. I'm out here in Chicago, Illinois, January 27th. When it's supposed to be cold as you know what, when you know what happened, but it's 50 degrees. Praise God for this brother that's in my life today, y'all. Hey, peace.
What's going on, guys? We have made it. I don't know if you can see behind me. This is Kickapoo Woods, and see if we can get some burn through some battery. We still have some daylight left. Let's see what we can do.
You're gonna love this.
Okay, that didn't quite go as planned. It's cold out here. It's colder than I thought to actually be out here just kind of standing. And it's a little windy. But, and my battery's discharged quick, of course, because it's cold out. So anyway, I'm gonna head back in and catch you in a minute. I burned through 3 batteries. I burned through 3 batteries faster than I thought it would take because of the weather. It was cold, so they discharged faster than they would if the weather had been a little warmer. But as I said before in the other video, that is the secret to developing stick sensitivity and working on your coordinated turns. I wasn't able to do too much, not making excuses, but it was cold and it was windy. It was 45. It felt good just to kind of be out there moving around, but just standing there with your fingers exposed, I got cold quick. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna shut up for now. Hope you had a great day, great evening. Hope all is good with you. As always, subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.